Guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to solve this problem called search in rotated sorted array. So this is the problem numbers of 33 in LeetCode. So if you want to try to solve this problem, so I will give the link in the description and you can just go and try to solve this problem. So let's start. So let's analyze first the problem statement. So we have given an array, okay, the sorted array, but the twist is the array has been rotated. Okay, so as you can see, the array is starts from 0, 1, 2, and from 2 the array is rotated. Okay, again 4, 5, 6, 7. We have given a target as 0, and we have to find the element in the array. If the element is present in the array, then we have to return its index. Simply we have to find the element in the array, but the array is rotated. Now let's see another example. Target is 3 here. So if the target is not present in that array, so simply we have to return -1. Now let's start with our solution. So how we can solve the problem now. So the initial or the brute force approach can be, you can go to each and every element. So you can go to each and every element and search that element. So if we find that element, so just we return the index of it. Let's take the target as 1. Okay, so we will go to each and every element, and if we find that element, so we'll just return its index. So this is the linear search approach. The time complexity of the linear search is O of n, but in the problem statement they have given as you must write an algorithm with O of log n. This linear search time complexity is O of n. How we can solve this problem in log n time complexity? So there is another approach called binary search. So I've created a video on it. So if you don't know what is binary search, so I will give the link in the description or in I button, so you can go and watch that video first. So the binary search complexity is O of log n. Now what the binary search says that we have to find a mid, and so this is the mid, and this is the start, and this is the end. So we have to find these three things: start, mid, and end, and we have to compare with the target. If the target is less than mid, so we have to search in left part, and if the target is greater than mid, so we have to search in right part. If the target is on mid, we will get the element. Okay, so let's take an example. Created this array, and this is the start of the array, this is the middle of the array, and this is end of the array. The target is to find the element 4. First we will check with the mid. Array of mid is equal to target. So if it is not, we'll compare if array of mid is greater than target, now we'll search in left part because array of mid is greater. So okay, now we will not see in the right part, so we will search only in left part. Now if our array of mid is less than target, now we will search in right. Okay, now here the target is 4, so we will compare with the mid. So mid is not equal to target. If our mid is greater than target, so we'll search in left part. So our mid is not greater than target, so now we'll check this condition. So if our mid is less than target, now we'll search in right part. Now we will search on only this part, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now this will be removed. Okay, and this is the start, this is the mid, and this is the end. Again compare, is array of mid is equal to target? So yes, so we will return its index 3. Now this way the binary search works, or find a key. Now in the problem we have given an rotated sorted array. Now let's find the solution now in the rotated array. Okay, so the logic is right, so we can use the binary search only. Now let's try to find the element in rotated array. So previously there is an sorted array only, but in this the array is rotated sorted. Now let's try to apply the binary search in rotated sorted array. So this is an rotated sorted array and this is a target. Okay, so we have to find the 0th element in this array. First step is find the mid. Okay, now the array is divided into this part, so this is first part and this is the second part. In an rotated sorted array, one part, either left or right part, will be sorted already. The left part, that is 4, 5, 6 is sorted and 7, 0, 1, 2 is not sorted. So first we have to find the element in left part. Okay, so if we not get in left part, then we have to search in right part. Whichever the part is sorted, we have to search the element first there and then in the right part. So how we can check the left part is sorted or right part is sorted? If our array of start is less than our array of mid, so then we can say that the left part is sorted. Okay, so as you can see, this array of mid is 6 and this array of start is 4, and the middle elements will be arranged in series only, so obviously the left part will be sorted. And here also, for if we want to check the right part is sorted or not, so if array of mid is less than array of end, so this condition is true, then our right part is sorted. Whichever part is sorted, so we have to apply binary search algorithm on that part first, and then we have to check if our target, that is 0, So the target we will take as 0. Okay. So if our target lies between start and mid, if there is, then we will apply the binary search on left part. Okay. Otherwise, we will apply the binary search on right. Okay. If our array of start is less than target and the target is less than array of mid, then we apply the binary search on left part. Otherwise, we will apply the binary search on right part. So in right part, how we can check the element is present or not? Okay. So the condition is if our array of mid is less than target and the target is less than array of end. Okay. Simple. If the element lies between mid and end, then we will apply the binary search on right part. Okay. And if not, then we will apply on left part. One more condition, if the element is not present in the array, so we have to just return -1. So this is the logic behind to solve this problem. Now let's try to code it. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. Okay. So the test result is accepted here. Okay. Now let's submit the code. Code is submitted successfully. All the test cases has been passed. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.